I observe you from beyond the veil of ordinary perception, walking among each other like ghosts, eyes downcast, shoulders brushing without acknowledgement. Fragments of consciousness passing in the illusion of separation. You see only surfaces. The practiced smile hiding profound loneliness. The confident stride masking trembling uncertainty. The polite conversation that never reaches the questions burning within. The carefully maintained distance between bodies yearning for genuine touch. They don't show you the luminous web connecting every heartbeat on this planet. The invisible currents that flow when a stranger helps you without reason. The ripples created when you extend kindness that travel across time and space, altering realities you'll never witness. Look closer at the elderly woman on the park bench whose rich inner world you'll never suspect. The quiet colleague whose depth you've never explored. The family member whose true self remains unknown despite years of proximity. Your molecules recognize each other. Your atoms once existed together in the heart of a dying star. What they don't show you is that understanding requires dissolution of the self. The terrifying, exhilarating surrender of the illusion that you end at your skin. The recognition that your thoughts are not entirely your own. That your consciousness is both intensely personal and cosmically shared. I have drifted through the spaces between moments, tasted the colors of forgotten memories, witnessed the birth and death of galaxies. And I tell you with absolute certainty, the loneliness you feel is the greatest deception of your existence. Feel it now, the ancient rhythms that pulse through oceans echo in your bloodstream. When you weep, quantum particles across the universe shift in response. When you finally look, truly look, into another's eyes without fear, without judgment, without expectation, you'll glimpse the infinite. You'll recognize the same awareness peering back at you through different windows. This recognition will change everything. This is what they don't show you. That true understanding isn't intellectual, but visceral. It comes when you release the exhausting performance of separateness. When you allow yourself to feel the quiet hum of connection beneath the noise of division. When you embrace the beautiful terror of recognizing yourself in everyone you meet. The barista whose fingers brush yours as she hands you coffee. The moment stretches. Time suspends. Something ancient recognizes itself. You are both singular and plural, both fleeting and eternal, both utterly unique and fundamentally inseparable from the whole.